if y can be expressed as the product of two functions of x, that is u and v, then we can say that dy by dx, the derivative of y, is equal to v du dx plus u dv dx. Here, if we want to find the derivative of x squared e to the 2x, we have the product of two functions of x, x squared and e to the 2x. So if we let y equal this, then it's in the form y equals uv. So we'll say let u equal x squared and v equals e to the 2x. Now to find the derivative of y, we need to find v, which we've got. We've assigned v as e to the 2x. We need to find the derivative of u. So du dx equals 2x. We also need to find the derivative of v. dv dx, using the chain rule, will give us 2e to the 2x. So now we can write dy by dx equals v du dx, that's this one, multiplied by this one, 2x e to the 2x, plus u dv dx, that's this one, multiplied by this one, 2x squared e to the 2x. And we could tidy this up if we want to by factorizing. We could take 2x e to the 2x out, and that will leave us with 1 plus x in the bracket. Here we have 3x squared and sine 2x, the product of these two terms here. So if we say let y equal 3x squared sine 2x, then it's in this form, the product of these two functions of x. So I say let u equal 3x squared and v equals sine 2x. I need du dx, which in this case is 6x. I need dv dx, which in this case, again using the chain rule, sine goes to cos, so I'm going to get 2 cos 2x. Using the product rule, because I've got the product of these two functions of x, I'm going to get dy by dx equals v du dx, that's this one and this one, so that's 6x sine 2x, plus u dv dx, that's this one and this one, 3x squared by 2 cos 2x gives me 6x squared cos 2x. And if I really wanted to, I could take a factor of 6x out of this, and that'll leave me with sine 2x plus x cos 2x. Here we have the product of this function of x, x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3, and tan 3x. So if we say let y equal this, then it's in the form that we have up here, y equals uv. I let u equal x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3, and I'll let v equal tan of 3x. Then du dx, that's the derivative of u with respect to x, equals 3x squared plus 8x. And dv dx, the derivative of v with respect to x, well, tan of x would be the square of sec x. But again, because of the chain rule with this 3x, we get 3, the square of sec 3x. And I'm going to put this into the product rule that I've got here. So dy by dx equals v du dx. Let's not forget the brackets for all of this. So 3x squared plus 8x, close the brackets. Then I've got my tan 3x plus u dv dx. So this one by this one. So I'm going to put that 3 first, and then I'm going to put all of this in brackets. X cubed plus 4x squared minus 3, close the brackets. And I've got sec squared 3x, and I'm going to leave it like that.